Here we will write a program to explain working of Mutex class in multi-threading. So in comment line we will write first. Before using Mutex class we will write simple method. So public void method 1, and inside the method we will print message. So console.writeLine first thread working, then console.writeLine second thread working, and console.writeLine third thread working. Then in main method we will create object of our class program. So program p equal to new program. Then we will use for loop. So for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, and I plus plus. I will call the method 1 as a thread. So for this I will create object of thread class. So thread t equal to new thread with new thread start for p dot method 1, and we will start the thread and we will execute this. It will execute the method and displays first thread, second thread, first thread, that is it will execute the thread randomly. Now we will use Mutex class. For this we will create object of Mutex class as static. So static Mutex m equal to new Mutex, and in method 1 after the line first thread working we will call the wait method from the Mutex class. So m dot wait 1. Then after second thread working we will use thread dot sleep method for 2 seconds, and after third thread working we will release the Mutex. So m dot release Mutex. Then we will execute this. It will first print first thread working where we have started the t dot start when I value is 1. So it will execute first thread working, then second thread working, and it will execute first thread working. Since we have used wait 1 method, it will first execute the first thread working sentence, then it will execute third thread, second thread, and after second thread it will wait for 2 seconds and again execute third thread working. If we use release Mutex method inside the main method, that is m dot release Mutex, and if we execute this it will give error, since when we call the Mutex dot release method from another method it will not allow us to do so, since we are calling release method from another thread. Here wait method is under child thread and we are releasing this Mutex from the main thread, which is not allowed. At a time only one thread can use the Mutex, that is when one thread is using Mutex, second thread that using Mutex is suspended until the first thread release the Mutex. So we will comment this and execute. It will work. After second thread working it will wait for 2 seconds and execute next statements.